Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how to make a striped cake without any special tool. All you need is your cake home. I'm sure you have a cake home. If you make cakes regularly, I'm sure you have a cake home, or you could buy one. It should be around maybe $1 to $2. It is really cheap. So today we're going to be using the colors gray and pink. And if you notice, I already coated my cake and some buttercream, and I left in the freezer for about 30 minutes. If you have more time, it's ideal you leave it in the fridge overnight or maybe for 2-3 hours so it can really firm up from inside out. But if you don't have much time and you're in a hurry, just put it in the freezer for about 30 minutes. It will firm it up from the outside faster than the fridge would. And you can start with any color. Today I'm using gray and pink, so you can start with maybe pink and then put the gray on top, but today I'm starting with the gray first and then the pink later. So guys, if you are in this world right now, I'm sure you're in the world right now, you're going to notice that like most people are at home because of the quarantine for coronavirus. So if you're at home at this time, wherever it is you are, this is an amazing time for you to learn a new skill. You have an impromptu 2 free weeks that you're not going to do anything, or you're going to be doing less work than you normally do. So this is an amazing time for you to learn a new skill. So if you're interested in cake decorating and cake baking, and maybe you just want that to be like your side hustle, or you want to like be able to start a business in the nearest future, this is an amazing time for you to kickstart. You might not learn, or you'll definitely not learn everything you need to start a business or for you to learn this new skill in 2 weeks, but you need to be on the right path. This is an amazing time because you're at home and all you have to do is buy basic ingredients. And if you need help with that, just send me a message in the comment section below, or send me a message on my Instagram page, and I'm going to start to give you a list of the basic things you need to start learning how to make and decorate beautiful cakes. So guys, one of the reasons I started my YouTube channel is because most people want to learn how to decorate cakes and how to make cakes, but usually they can't afford the services. I don't know how to explain it. Okay, if you're trying to learn how to make a cake, you can learn how to make a cake if you're like having a one-on-one class with me. Like, we're going to have to make the actual cake. So apart from paying for me teaching you, you're also paying for the cakes we're learning to make. So usually it is not cheap, and I'm usually very sympathetic with those kind of plights because I know how it felt when I wanted to learn so hard and I couldn't afford it. So if you're looking to learn the skills of cake decorating, this is an amazing channel for you. All you need to do is watch my videos for each thing you want to learn and for where you want to start from. I'm like concentrating on how to decorate because there are millions basically of millions of recipes for cakes on YouTube. So you can try any of those recipes and see which one works for you and which one you like. But then for decorating, like, I have simple steps for beginners to learn how to make it. All you have to do is subscribe and like my videos and watch. And if you have any requests, send me a message and I'll look into making that video for you. Okay, so guys, if you notice, I already covered the whole perimeter of my cake in this gray buttercream, and what I did was I outlined the buttercream with the cake comb. It's important you do that because when you do that, you are creating a space for you to put the pink one. What I'm trying to do right now is there are some parts where like the buttercream is not like enough, or it's kind of empty, so I'm going to fill in those spaces. And then I'm going to fill in those spaces carefully. Like, I'll go around the cake and fill in the spaces where it needs filling in, and then go again with my cake comb. That way we're going to create like a uniform spot for the gray buttercream, and then likewise it's going to create a uniform spot where we can put in the pink buttercream. That way it's going to come out really striped, and there won't be like spots that are empty of stripes. I don't know if that makes sense. So guys, what I'm trying to do right now is, once you do this, it's important you put it in the freezer, guys, not fridge. It's important you put it in the freezer for at least 1 hour. I think I put it in the freezer for about 45 minutes because I'm always in a hurry. But if you're doing this for the first time, so it doesn't frustrate you, it's better you put it in the freezer for at least 1 hour. and then you're going to put some of your pink buttercream in a piping bag, yeah, and then you are going to scrape that off. So what we're going to do is, into those spaces, those lines where like you created with the cake comb, yeah, you're going to fill in those spaces with the pink buttercream. I'm sure that makes sense, yeah. It's the reason why you're not just lathering it on top is because like you want to make it easier. You want to fill in the spots where you want the pink buttercream to actually be. That's why you're using a piping bag. And if you are in Ukraine and you want to learn how to make cakes and you don't know where to buy the supplies from or where to buy basic things from, these things are basically very cheap. The basic supplies you need, for example, how to get this piping bag, the turntable, a cake board, like the basic things you need, yeah. You can send me a message on Instagram. Just send me a DM. I'm going to put the link to my Instagram page in the description box. So you can send me a DM on Instagram, and I'm going to like tell you where to buy the stuff from. If you're not in Ukraine, I can help you. I don't know, maybe you can reach out to people on YouTube or on Instagram that are in Nigeria. They can help you. They're in Nigeria or in whatever country you're in. They can help you get the things you need, yeah. Okay, so guys, notice I'm filling in this spot, and it's important you do it as fast as possible, because don't forget your cake is frozen, and if you're not doing it fast enough, the pink buttercream is going to start freezing with the gray one, if that makes sense, yeah. Okay, so right now I'm taking my cake scraper and I'm going to be scraping lightly. I'm scraping carefully. The important thing is for you to scrape carefully. You want to like do it one spot at a time. You don't want to do it all at once, because if you do that, you might end up scraping out the gray parts, which is not what you want to do. All you want to do is you want to scrape enough of the pink parts and enough of the gray parts so you can see a uniform stripe, if that makes sense. Okay guys, so that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna be scraping this one spot at a time, like scraping lightly, not scraping too much. It is really easy to make these things. Like, see how we're almost done, basically. See how easy it is. And if you have any question at all, you can send me questions in the comment section. Okay, I actually prefer you send me questions in the comment section below, because the more comments I get on my post, the more YouTube shows it to other people. So please send me comments in the comment section below. Even if you're just sending me kisses, that would be nice. Okay guys, so we're almost done. All I'm doing is filling in the extra spaces, and then I'm going to scrape that off, yeah, and then we are done. And if you know me, you know I like to accessorize my cakes, because like, I don't know, it just brings everything together better. So I'm going to use some of this gold accessories, and then I'm going to go over it with some pink ribbon, yeah, that matches the pink on top of my cake. And then I kind of already covered it with a drip. If you want to see how I made this drip, I have a video on my channel on how I made the drip. I'm going to link it down below. So I'm going to just pipe some rosettes on top of the cake, and then I'm going to accessorize with some chocolates I already covered in gold dust. So if you want me to show you how I covered the chocolate in gold dust to get them to be really gold, you can send me a message in the comment section below, and I'll make a video on how to do that for you guys. So thank you so much, I appreciate it. And if you haven't subscribed, please guys, please subscribe. I'm aiming for 600 now, yeah. I think right now I'm at 571, and it's beautiful to see it grow each time. So if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and like this video. Please don't forget to like the video if you actually do like the video. Because when you like the video, I get better chances on YouTube, if that makes sense. Thank you guys. So okay, I'm just accessorizing the top of my cake with some chocolates and pretzels that I painted in edible gold dust. All you have to do is paint it and leave it to dry. It really doesn't take it doesn't take time at all, and it is very easy. If you want me to show you how to do that, just send me a comment in the comment section below. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next tutorial. Oh, before I go, if there's any video you want me to make or that will be helpful to you or helpful to someone you know or love, just send me a comment and tell me what video it is, and I'll make time to like make it for you guys soonest. So thank you guys for your time, and thank you for watching, and thank you for getting me to 571 subscribers. Okay guys, thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.